evening. This is my TicTacToe AI submission. My name is Marcus. I will first be showing you the implementation, uh, and I'll be playing O first, and AI will be playing X. So the AI chose to place his X in the middle, and I'll choose to put it at the left-hand corner. You choose to put at the top, so I have no choice but to put at the bottom to block him from winning. And again, I have to block him from winning. This time, we will unfortunately end up with a draw. Now I will play as X and AI will play as O. I will choose to put my X in the top left hand corner. AI choose to put in the center. I decide to put over here. AI decide to go for the win. I have to block the AI, I have no choice. AI blocks me. I put mine over here. AI blocks me. And again we end up with a draw. So in all cases, I can never win. I can either draw or lose based on how badly I play. And so for the two cases that I've shown you, I've drawn, and the AI have shown that it's a good AI and it's working. Thank you.